Page-level error handling. ASP.NET page-level error handling can be used to catch exceptions not already handled within try-catch blocks on a page. At times, this can be very useful and is implemented by defining a method within the page called page_error. This method can be coded to handle as many or as few exception types as desired. An example of page-level error handling is shown here. The page_error method is part of an enrollment page called signup.aspx. The code has been written to handle two types of exceptions, timeout exception and system exception. If a timeout exception occurs, processing is forwarded to a special page called signup_timeouterror.aspx. The code also checks for a system exception, which is a superclass for many types of exceptions. If a system exception is thrown, processing is forwarded to a different page called signuperror.aspx. Any exceptions not specifically handled in the page_error method are passed on to the global error handler residing at the application level. Application-level error handling. ASP.NET application-level error handling can be thought of as global error handling. It should be used as a catch-all to handle all errors and exceptions that were not caught with a try-catch block or by page-level error handling. Application-level error handling is implemented by defining a method called application_error within the global.asax file. In the example shown here, the application_error method transfers processing to a page called defaulterrorpage.aspx. Regardless of what error occurred, the user sees the result generated by defaulterrorpage.aspx. The code could still be enhanced to perform different processing depending on the type of error. For security, an application_error method should always be defined in global.asax. It will take precedence over error handling configured in the custom errors element of web.config. Finally, please note that error pages, such as defaulterrorpage.aspx shown here, should clear the error by calling server.clearError.